Papasa ka ba sa home loan? Bago ka pa magbayad ng reservation fee, check mo muna, qualified ba income mo? Kasi sayang naman, di ba, if after ang dami mo na nabayad, ang tagal mo na naghintay, and then you found out you're not qualified to get approved for a home loan in the first place. Here's one thing you can do to avoid this. Get the monthly amortization ng target mong property for a 20-year loan. Check mo to dun sa sample computation or kaya ask mo na lang yung agent or broker mo para mas madali. Multiply the monthly amortization by 3. If the result is lower than your gross monthly income, then malaki yung chance mo to get approved for this loan. For example, if mag-loan ka ng 3 million pesos for 20 years at 7% interest, monthly amortization will be 23,529. Multiply that by 3 and you'll get 69,777. This means if 70,000 ang gross monthly income mo, malaki yung chance mo to get approved for this home loan. But if kulang, baka it's a wise decision not to reserve this property. Caution lang, for assessment purposes lang to ha. Hindi to assurance ng approval for your home loan. Other factors like your age and credit history will also matter. Siguradong marami kang tanong, so feel free to leave a message. For more home buying tips, please like and subscribe.